We have answers to your most often asked cleaning questions. You ask, what is the difference between regular commercial cleaning and industrial cleaning? Industrial cleaning is a specialized cleaning service that often takes place in very busy environments. Businesses such as factories, manufacturing, warehouses, power plants, and self-storage may be continuous operations. The challenge is to clean without interruption of operations, the flexibility to clean quickly around production schedules, and the knowledge and skill to clean and sanitize both industrial equipment and work environments. Industrial cleaning services require a staff that is highly trained and that is both experienced and equipped to meet unique industrial cleaning challenges. Additional industrial cleaning services may include the stripping, refinishing and sealing of plant floors, expert cleaning of heavy-duty equipment, and sometimes even the repair and maintenance of equipment and workspaces. All in all, industrial cleaning is a far more demanding and specialized challenge than typical commercial cleaning operations. There's no doubt about it. Whether you require commercial or industrial cleaning done properly, it pays to call a pro.